Okay, so I'm going to do a problem here involving order of operations. And it's a little bit more complicated than what I've done before. I've got actually a square root symbol in here now, but that's just another grouping symbol. And the reason I'm doing this is because eventually, when we get to quadratic equations, you will be simplifying things just like this if you don't have a calculator. So remember that order of operations is PEMDAS, which basically means please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or please end my day at school. But really what it stands for is parentheses or grouping symbols, exponents, and then you do multiplication or division, and then you do addition and subtraction. Okay, and we've already done some order of operation problems earlier. So I'm just going to do a couple simple things at a time. First of all, I've got, I've got some exponents here. Inside the grouping symbol, you always start in the grouping symbol and work out. This is kind of off by itself, so I could actually do that also if I wanted to combine some steps. So boom, boom. I'm going to get negative times negative is plus 2, minus, and then now I'm going to start to simplify the grouping symbol. Now, this exponent affects everything here because this is in parentheses. So this is like saying negative 2 squared, which is negative 2 times negative 2, or positive 4. And then here I have negative 4 times negative 1 times 3. You can multiply, and you just multiply in order from left to right. So negative times negative, I get positive 4 times 3, which is plus 12. On the bottom, I can combine that and get 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And then now what I can do is I still start in the grouping symbol. PEMDAS says do parentheses or grouping symbol, so I was working in this grouping symbol first, and then within that grouping symbol I kind of went in order there. So 4 plus 12, I get 16, and then I divide by negative 2 here. Not really anything to do down there right now. But let's see. Now I need to completely get rid of this grouping symbol by actually taking the square root. So I have 2 minus 4 over 2, over negative 2 I should say. Now this line, this fraction line or division line, this is also a grouping symbol. It says to do this first. Normally you would divide first, but here we have to do the grouping symbol first. These two numbers are connected by this grouping symbol. They're separated from the entire, or from the negative 2 down here. So on the top I have 2 minus 4 is negative 2 over negative 2, which gives you positive 1. Okay, so if you didn't have a calculator, you just basically start on the inside of the grouping symbol, work your way out. I did exponents, then I did multiplication. I had a multiplication here. Then I am still working inside the grouping symbol. I got rid of the grouping symbol, combined the top because it has another grouping symbol, and then did the division here. So hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll talk to you again soon.